This is Priya, Associate Professor from Velamal Engineering College, Department of IT. Now in this session, we'll discuss about data science and machine learning in the health sector, a practical approach. So first we have to know what is data science, because now it is the booming word where we are going to predict output from the bulk volume of data. So whereas it plays the major role of programming knowledge and statistics in any field to extract the knowledge, and we can predict the outcome what we are supposed to working on. And it includes artificial intelligence and machine learning. So what is data sciences? It is a process of finding the outcome, that is predicted outcome from the existing data. And then data scientist is one who is working on the data science, and he is capable of working with the mathematical and statistics, analytics and modeling, machine learning, programming, data visualization, and so on. And if you see what are the different libraries for the Python, first we have to install Anaconda, otherwise we can have the Jupyter try, otherwise we can have the Colab notebook. So whatever the platform is there, we can make use of it to run the machine learning project. And then here we can do data manipulation, data summary, visualization, and there are the machine learning libraries are available in the scikit-learn, so which offers different machine learning algorithms to run. So we can make use of that to execute our project. And then here we have different libraries like TensorFlow, which enables to process a higher numerical computations, and Scitech for the high level of computation, and NumPy for the numerical data, and Pandas is where it will be capable of working with the data frames. And then we have Matplot and PyTorch, which is capable of working with the graphical primitive outputs, graphical processing outputs, and OpenCV mainly for the computer vision, which enables to working with the image processing. And then the various applications of data science we'll see. We have image processing, security, NLP, and then augmented reality, VR, virtual reality, IoT, and so on. And then AI. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence, where everyone is working with the AI now. So in AI we are making the machine to think like a human, which is the normal term everyone knows. So like a baby doesn't know anything about what is this, what is the, doesn't known anything to the baby. So how we are training the baby? In the same way we have to train machine. So once we train the machine, the machine is capable of doing the computations what we intend to do it. Okay, so this artificial intelligence or machine learning categorized as supervised, semi-supervised, and unsupervised, and then reinforcement. What do you mean by supervised learning is, here we are training the machine. See, if it is in this feature, it is called as the apple. If it is in this feature, it will be called as a camel. So we are giving all the labels. So if this feature satisfies, from that the machine has to predict it is this is A, or this is B, or this is C. So we are giving the labels. This is what is called as a supervised learning. Whereas unsupervised learning, here we are not giving the exactly, we are not telling this is the camel, or this is A, or this is B. Instead of that, we are giving group of alphabets A, B, C, everything. We are giving in multiple number of A, multiple number of B. So what machine will do means, it will categorize based upon the features. So A looking similar. So from the group of letters, it is grouping A, then B, then C. So by this knowledge, if it groups, that is what is called as a cluster. This comes under the concept of unsupervised learning. And then we have semi-supervised. What is semi-supervised means? It is not possible for us to feed machine with all data. For example, consider it has to classify positive feedback and negative feedback. So we will be giving joy, happy, good, nice, charm. So if these words come, it is called as a positive feedback, and negative feedback, very bored, dull, not nice. So these are called as a negative feedback. So only with a few words we are training the machine. So what machine will do in turn is, so it will try to identify what are the positive and negative words. So with the 50% of data, we are making the machine to work for the 100% of the input. This is what is called as a semi-supervised learning. And then we have reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is equal to the game, that is like a reward and punishment. So a person is going to trying to take a diamond. So if he goes in the right path means a reward will be given. So if reward is given means, okay, that man will get energy, okay, this is the right path, we can move. If it goes in the wrong path, then it will be punishment will be given to him. So this is the wrong path. So by means of this reward and punishment, we can able to predict the correct output. That is what is called as the reinforcement learning. And then computer vision here plays a major role. Whereas here computer vision, all the images are processed with the help of the packages called the OpenCV in the Python. So computer vision plays a major role. So this diagram tells you, if it is the brain will see the cat, it identify it is a cat. But if it is a machine, it will take the cat, it will convert that into the grayscale, then it correlates with the features and then identifies it is a cat. So this is what is called as the how image processing works, that is in the OpenCV package. Then deep learning, so we are moving on to the machine learning to deep learning. So machine learning means it will have some certain parameters overlapping and it will be predicting the output, whereas deep learning will have the many cross layers, so mapping with many parameters. One parameter can be mapped with the many other parameters, so that the approximation or the accurate results will be high when compared with the machine learning in the deep learning. That is what is called as a deep learning, depicted by this figure. And then there are different types of neural networks are actually. What is neuron is used to store and retrieve information in our brain. So in the same way, there are the different neural networks in the machine learning, so which helps us to gain and store multiple informations and retrieve information, process multiple data. So in such a way, neural network helps to handle multiple volumes of data in artificial intelligence domain. And then we have medical image processing. So what are the medical, we are taking the MRI scan, we are doing some type of scans to predict the diseases. So whatever the thing, so image is captured, so that image will be converted into the grayscale, and it will be finding the features, and it will be finding the pixel range, it will be finding the accumulation of dark spots and the light spots. So with this image processing, it enables to find defect and non-defective parts of the body. So such a way, OpenCV plays a major role in the image processing, also mainly in the medical image processing. Thank you.